Hi guys, happy Monday. Let's go over the packet pages I have assigned for today. So for language arts, after you write your name and number, read the directions. It says some words have more than one meaning. Bark could mean a sound a dog makes, or it could mean part of a tree. The word dog is a clue to help you know the correct meaning of bark in this sentence. My dog likes to bark at trucks. And then it says, read the sentence. Fill in the circle next to the picture that shows the correct meaning of the bold word. Use the underlined words to help you choose. Okay, so bold word is the word that's darker. So it says, we will see a play. So you would select this one because a play is see a play. That's kind of your hint to say that a play is a show, not like this kind of play where you play with your friends. And then do number 2 and 3 on your own. It says, I left my lunch on the seat of the bus and the big wave came up on the beach. And then for writing, I want you to do a April journal prompt, and I put this in your checklist. Your parents can either print it out or you can do it on a separate sheet of paper. So I want you to answer the question, what is your favorite thing to do at the park? And I want at least 4 sentences and try to give me reasons. For example, I might say, first, I really like to go on the swings because they're a lot of fun. Then come up with more reasons why you like going to the park. Next, then, and last, don't forget your capitals and your periods, and send out any words you don't know. For math, it says show the same half-hour time on both clocks. Okay, so I want you to show the same time on the analog clock and on the digital clock. So, for example, I'm going to make this one say 1:30. So I have the little hand pointing to the 1 and the big hand pointing to the 6. That would say 1:30. So do the rest on your own. What I would do is I would just go 2:30, 3:30, 4:30 just to make it easier. For social studies, it says comprehension skill, read, tell, / summarize. Telling a story or event in your own words helps you understand new information. Listen to or read a story. Tell what you heard or read in your own words. Use interesting details. Try it. What can you tell about traditions? Traditions. We have different traditions. We eat different foods. I eat spaghetti. My friend eats soup and rice cakes. So down here it says vocabulary development, classify. What are traditions? So I want you to write down 3 different types of traditions that were in the text above. So, for example, one of them was eating spaghetti. Maybe this person eats spaghetti once a week with his family. That could be a tradition. If it's something you do regularly with your family, that's a tradition. And then for bonus language arts, your parents can either print this out from the checklist or do it on a separate piece of paper. It says, choose and write the best word you know that tells about the picture. Okay, so that would be a picture of a barn. So you would circle barn and then write it on the line down below. And then do the rest on your own. For bonus math, you're doing daily word problem, week 27, day 1. 15 monkeys were in the trees. 9 monkeys jumped down to the ground. How many monkeys were left in the trees? Okay, so don't forget to circle those numbers, underline the question, and box keywords. So jumped and left are good keywords for subtract. So make sure you do a Math Mountain equation to find the answer. As always, don't forget to do 20 minutes of PE, 20 minutes of reading, study your sight words, and check out my list of online resources. Work hard and be nice, and I'll see you tomorrow. So I want to show you guys one of my online resources called Prodigy. So you just go to prodigygame.com, or you can download the Prodigy app on a tablet. And then once you're on the website, you press login. And then you enter your username and your password that I sent your parents. I made an imaginary student named Test again, just like on RazKids. So I'm going to log in as that imaginary student right now. Don't worry about this box if you see it. It's just if your teacher next year is going to be using Prodigy.
Are you playing from home or from school?
So you would click on playing from home. And then it says choose your world. Pick the same world as your friends to play together. So I think I'm going to do Ghost Town.
The name's Newt. I help bring new students to the academy on their first day of class. Who might you be?
So then you guys can scroll down and see if your name's in there. I'm just gonna find my first name.
Nice to meet you. Let's head over. This is a wizard battle. The goal is to reduce your opponent's hearts to 0 by casting spells. To cast a spell, just choose one.
Which clock shows 11:30? Okay, that one says 3 o'clock. That one says 11:30. Cast spell.
When you cast a spell, your opponent loses hearts. When they have no hearts left, you win.
So have fun on Prodigy, guys. I made it so the questions this week are going to be about time, so you guys should know how to answer all the questions on there. All right, see you next time.